Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a few days since you guys have seen me, so I'll be doing some try-ons. I got back last night. From work. It's been crazy. It's really been crazy. I have not been doing anything at all this morning. So my hair's, well, I finally washed my hair. But I washed my hair last night. But I was not really in the mood to do a whole lot. So I'm still wearing my glasses. Yeah, I haven't done anything to my face. I'm breaking out to the extent that I don't know if I even want to put makeup on. It's bad. But I guess yesterday I got my Ipsy Plus bag. So I'm gonna open it up and check. That's weird. Check to see what I got in here. Okay. So first okay, I did not open it. I have not gone through it. I didn't do anything to it, but this flap right here was already open. So let's see. Cause now I'm worried. Oops. Because I'm gonna be a little mad if I got my thing or got stuff taken out of here. So here is my box and here's the opening, all the stuff, and I see a repeat item in here. Oh my. So this card right here is kind of destroyed, as you can tell, as a description of what is in here. Is this even? Yeah, it's main. Alright, so I'm kind of excited to actually get this item again, just because I was like, man, I actually really want another one of these, just because I want to make sure if I try one and I like it, I want to try another. So here is my first item, the 111 Skin Harley St. London. It's a rose gold brightening facial treatment mask. So I'm really excited to be able to try this, or to actually get this tried, or to try this on. I am going to be doing skincare sometime this week. Between today and Tuesday. So I will definitely be doing some skincares. I really need it. You guys have no idea. Look at all this junk right here. I don't even know. I had a third eye going on right there and I got it. It's embarrassing enough that I don't even know. So this actually wasn't, maybe they added it, but because it wasn't on my list of things. I don't know. All right, so my next thing is the coffee. Ooh, it kind of smells like coffee. So the coffee scrub. The coffee scrub. So it's I guess another skincare item. It's also not in my packet thing as well. So I'm filled with antioxidants, minerals, and essential oils, which helps neutralize the effects of aging, drying, and dead skin. Each of my ingredients work together to moisturize, exfoliate, protect you from residual dirt and damage. By harnessing the power of organic oils and vitamins like grapeseed oil, almond oil, vitamin E, and Arabic beans, your skin will appear radiant, feel silkier, and smell wonderful. So that's kind of nice to have another skincare item. I really need to take care of my skin. So here is another item that is also not on my list, and I'm missing stuff, so I'm kind of getting a little frustrated here. Like, I'm getting items. So this list here is really not even like, no point. Okay, this is a little frustrating. So I picked out this palette right here. I picked that out. Did I get it? I don't think so, because I don't see no palette in here. I mean, don't get me wrong, I don't mind. So I got, a brow butter pomade top. I don't know if this is going to be my color. Does that look like my color? Ipsy, what's going on with you? We're messing up. Oh, here's one item that was supposed to be in my, that is actually in my thing. This is the Malin and Goats Revitalizing Eye Gel. So that's cool to try. What does this do? Your delicate eye area is the first to show signs of aging. So I mean, is it saying that I'm getting old or something? So give it love with the multitasking eye gel. The lightweight texture soaks into skin without leaving behind the annoying residue, and helps soften lines, debuff bags, and soothe irritation and brighten up dark circles. I don't really want my circles brightening up. I just would rather them like kind of gone. So I got this item that is actually on my list here. This goes for $42. I would not pay $42 for that, but it's whatever. Luna liner. Oh, yep, here's another item that I got in my, on the list thing here. It's so exciting that I actually got items that was supposed to be on my list. So here's a water resistant liquid eyeliner. I'm getting a whole bunch of these from these people. So it goes for $18. There will be try-ons. I don't know if I'm gonna open up this Luna liner or anything, but it comes in black. Cat eye goals coming right up. The liner has a micro tip that dispenses the perfect amount of jet black pigment so you can get the perfect flick every single time. That's great. Alright, so I got this item. It looks pretty damaged. I don't know if you guys, yeah, right there. It's called Phase Zero. Is it in here? No, yes it is. It's a lip. It's a liquid lipstick in Undercover. This color is, or this lip goes for $16. And it's like kind of dry. This is a very depressing box. Very depressing box. I don't know if I like this anymore. Alright, so let's see if this one's in here. I don't think so. Doesn't look like... Oh! Okay, so here is the Super 8 lip oil from Yansa. Man, this... So the card thing gives me a different thing, and then not only that, like on my app it gives me another item, so it's literally just right there. Ooh, smells like watermelon. Can't tell you the value of the price because it doesn't give it to me because it's not on my card. I like Ipsy. I don't normally get like problems with it, but for some odd reason, this is kind of cute. It says Unstoppable, and of course here's the plus bag. So I will do a try on. Everything fits. I will do a try on. I'm just rather disappointed in what I got because I was supposed to get, okay, let me tell you guys what I was supposed to get. Hemp's Oil Body Moisture in Sweet Pineapple. So the same exact lotion that I got. The Balm Cosmetics Auto Balm Day 2 Night. Did not get that. I did get the Phase Zero Makeup Matte Liquid Lipstick in Undercover, which of course is that like berry looking color. And hold on. I did get the Malin and Goats Revitalizing Eye Gel. I did get that item. The Seraphim Botanicals Luna Liner Water Resistant Liquid Eyeliner in black. I did not get the Complex Culture Precision Concealer Brush. So Ipsy. Kind of disappointed in here. I'm definitely going to be giving you guys my reviews of my items. Hopefully you guys can check that out and maybe fix what needs to be fixed. Yeah. Sorry you guys, it's kind of a disappointing video because I've, you know, never had this kind of problem before. And yeah. So you guys, oh, and I even got one of these things, and I wasn't supposed to get one of these things because it wasn't in the description box. So I will be doing my try-ons, everyone, between these two things. Well, between these things, there's skincare, there's of course a whole bunch of other stuff in there, so I will be doing those. I'll be doing try-ons from the stuff that I had gotten last week. I got my ColourPop foundation, I got It Cosmetics, I got my Naked palette and this ColourPop palette. So I will be doing some try-ons. I'll be doing a Tarte palette. I'll be doing this Tarte palette very soon. What else? I don't know what else. It looks like that's about it right now. So make sure that you guys, stay tuned to my videos. Oh, I'll be doing this palette one day too as well, since I got that in my Ipsy Ultimate as well. What else? I don't even know what else. But make sure that you guys stay tuned to my videos. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe as well. Anything helps. And I hope you guys have a good day, and you guys might see me soon today. Bye.